Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Start by standing with your fists on your hips while facing slightly to the right. When the music starts, bend your knees and move your left hand down with your palm facing down and your fingers pointing to the right. Turn to the right as you bring your left foot over to meet your right foot, move your left arm up so that your palm is facing the right, and look to the right. Straighten your legs and swing your left arm and your left leg over to the left. Bring your left foot down as you bring your left fist back to your hip and turn your upper body to the left. Now step in place on your right foot and turn your upper body to the right, then swing your right arm around to the left with your index finger and thumb extended as you hop on your left foot. Bend your right elbow, bringing your hand up near your ear as you hop back on your right foot and bring your left knee up. Bring your left foot back down as you begin to spin your right arm in a counterclockwise circle, then bring your hand up to your forehead, palm facing out as you lift up the toes of your right foot. Step back on your right foot, then put your right hand on your hip as you turn to the right, spin your left arm in a clockwise circle until it is near your head, and bring your left foot over to meet your right foot, keeping your left knee bent. Wave your left hand, then bend your right knee, point down with your left hand, and look in the same direction. Bring your left hand back up as you bend your left knee and look at the camera, then bend your right knee again and point down as before. With your right elbow bent, move your right hand in front of you, palm facing up, then hop back on your right foot as you swing your left arm and leg out and back. Bring your left foot down behind your right foot as your left arm goes behind your back, then step in place on your right foot. Bring your left foot up next to your right foot with your left knee bent to the left as you point to the left with your left hand and look in the same direction. Turn your left knee back in and put your left hand on your hip as you turn your right knee out to the right and look in the same direction. Turn your right knee back in, then move your right hand in and down a bit as you bend both knees to the left, keeping your legs together. Bring your right hand over to the right as you move your knees over to the right as well, then straighten your legs and twirl your right hand up to your forehead with your palm facing out. Bring your right foot up and back, then step in front of your left foot. Do the same with your left foot. Step over to the right with your right foot as you twirl your right hand down into the right and look in the same direction. Now twirl your left hand up into the left and look in the same direction. Look back at the camera and clap your hands together in front of your chest. Keeping your feet in place, bend both knees as you turn to the left and extend both arms down and to the left. Keep your eyes on your right hand as you slide it up your left arm, then point up and to the right as you continue to follow your right hand with your eyes. Straighten your legs and look at the camera as you bring your right fist down near your right shoulder and extend your left arm straight up. Switch the positions of your arms as you bring your left foot up behind you. Bring your left foot down, your right arm forward, and your left arm back, keeping both elbows bent. Step over to the left with your right foot and switch the positions of your arms, then step in front of your right foot with your left foot and switch the positions of your arms again. Jump over to the right on your right foot as you move both arms to the right. Bring your left foot down and your right foot up as you swing your arms to the left, then swing your arms to the right as you swing your right foot up and to the left. Bring your right foot down so that you are facing away from the camera. With your arms slightly away from your sides, hop on your left foot as you bring your right foot back into the right, then bring it down, crossing it over your left foot. Turn to the left until you are facing the camera again. Bring your right foot up in the same manner, then bring it down in front of your left foot. Bring your left foot forward the same way, then step back behind your right foot. Tap your right foot down over to the right, then in front of you. Hop on your right foot as you bring your left foot up behind you and move both arms back. Hop on your right foot again as you kick out with your left foot and swing both arms in, with your right arm going above your left arm. Bring your left foot and both arms down so that you are turned slightly to the left as you bring your right foot up a bit, then hop on your left foot so that you are turned slightly to the right as you bring your right knee up and to the right a bit and move your arm so that your right arm is horizontally in front of your chest and your left arm is vertical with your elbow near your right fist. Bring your right foot down, your left foot up a bit, and both arms up above your head. Pull your arms down and to the left as you kick slightly to the right with your left foot. Bring your left foot down as you bring your right foot up a bit and move both arms up above your head again. Pull your arms down and to the right as you kick slightly to the left with your right foot. Extend your right arm straight out to the right as you bring your right foot back down. Step in place on your left foot as you extend your left arm straight up, then step in place on your right foot as you switch the positions of your arms. Step in place on your left foot as you switch the positions of your arms again, then drop your left arm, plant your right foot, and swing your right arm in a big clockwise circle.